If Microsoft Word is showing an error preventing it from working correctly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple set of fixes that can get Word running again. This is a common issue, and it can happen because of corrupted settings, temporary file conflicts, or a bad add-in inside Office. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling everything right away. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick computer fixes and step-by-step software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, start with the easiest fix. Restart your computer. A simple reboot can clear temporary glitches and file conflicts that may be stopping Microsoft Word from opening correctly. After your PC restarts, try launching Word again and see if the error is gone. If Word still will not work properly, we'll move to the next step. Now, open the Run dialog by pressing Windows key +R on your keyboard. In the box that appears, type winword/safe and press Enter. This starts Microsoft Word in safe mode. Safe mode is important because it loads Word without extra add-ins and custom settings. If Word opens correctly in safe mode, that usually means the issue is being caused by one of your add-ins, not by Word itself. If safe mode works, the next step is to disable the add-ins one by one. Open Word normally if you can, then go to File, then Options, and click Add-ins. At the bottom of the window, you'll see a drop-down menu. Select COM add-ins, then click Go. A list of installed add-ins will appear. Uncheck all of them to test Word without any extra extensions running in the background. After that, click OK and close Word. Once the add-ins are disabled, open Word again and check if the problem is fixed. If Word now works properly, one of those add-ins was likely the cause of the error. From there, you can go back and re-enable the add-ins one at a time until you find the one that triggers the issue. That way you can keep Word working without guessing. If the problem is still happening, the next thing to try is repairing Microsoft Office from Control Panel. Open Control Panel on your computer, then go to Programs and Features. Find your Microsoft Office installation in the list, click it once, and choose Change. You may see repair options such as Quick Repair or Online Repair depending on your version of Office. Start with Quick Repair first because it is faster and fixes many common problems. If that does not solve it, try the more complete Online Repair. While Office is repairing, make sure to wait until the process fully finishes before opening Word again. A repair can replace damaged files, fix broken components, and restore Word to a working state. In many cases, this step alone resolves the error preventing Microsoft Word from working correctly. After the repair is complete, restart your computer one more time and test Word again. If it opens normally, great. The issue is fixed. If you are still seeing errors, double check that Windows and Microsoft Office are fully updated because outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility problems. So to recap, the main fixes are restart your PC, launch Word in safe mode using winword/safe, disable COM add-ins, and repair Microsoft Office from Control Panel. These steps solve most Word startup and working errors without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix Microsoft Word, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.